All right, today we are going to be making a bridge based on Claude Monet's Japapnese Bridge, and we're going to use tape to block off the bridge first, and then later we're going to paint right over the tape. So at your tables there's a bunch of tape, and later when you go back to there, you're going to take that tape and you're going to kind of want to cut it in half so it's a little bit thinner. So I'm going to carefully do that, and sometimes the tape gets a little bit stuck to my scissors, so I just have to be really careful. And I'm going to go ahead and just build a bridge. So I'm going to start off, maybe here's the handle, and then I'm going to start going over this way to build the bridge. Okay, and then I'm going to cut another piece. And I'm going to build the bridge going over this way, and I'm making sure that my pieces are staying down and that they overlap just a little bit, which means that they touch each other just a little bit. So I've got it there. And I have my paper turned like the bathtub way, or we call that a landscape. Okay, so that's the direction that we're going to be working with our paper today. So I'm cutting these little pieces of tape and using them to build this bridge. So there's the top of the bridge. Yes, I am cutting them. I am cutting them just in half like this. So now I have skinny. I can even cut them shorter if I want to. And then I'm going to go ahead and start making the rails of the bridge, the pieces that are going in between here. Here's another piece of tape. And this piece of tape is a little bit longer than I want it to be, so I can just take my scissors and cut it in half. Stick that down to use later. Then I'll turn it this way and cut it in half. And I'm just going to keep on making those rails going all the way along here. I think that looks pretty good. These two are a little bit shorter, so if I want to even that out, I can cut a little piece of tape, cut it in half, and then make it so that they're even with this one here and that one there. So I'm overlapping the tape a little bit again. Now I'm going to start to work on the bottom part of the bridge, starting to connect all of this to make it into a bridge. So I'm taping right there. Then I'll put another piece that I just cut right next to it. Here, and then maybe I'll make another little piece going down this way. Okay, and then I just need one more piece for right over on this side, maybe a shorter piece. Whoops. And then maybe I need one, maybe just a little bit longer to kind of go down just the same here. So I'm just cutting that piece. Again, really carefully with my scissors. Okay, and then I'm going to take my fingers and make sure that everything is sealed down so that next time when we paint this, that the paint cannot go underneath the tape. We don't want the paint to get under the tape. We're blocking that off so that the paint can't get underneath the tape.